If this clip is anything to go by, it confirms what we have long known. These loud supporters of Mnangagwa are nothing but hypocrites and scoundrels who know deep in their bones that his tenure has been an abject failure, a tenure that has robbed the people. You can't bury people's constitution. General Chiwenga's Lazarus Simon Frightens Zvigananda. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chipinda mnamoa blind from Chinzen. But the president gave a sermon about Lazarus, about a man who died, or the Lord waited, about a tomb sealed with the stone, about a question asked not for information but for witness, and the political class is now scrambling to decode what they had. Let me tell you what they had. Chiwenga stood before the congregation and asked, when Lazarus was buried, he asked as if he did not know. He asked as if the Lord of all creation needed the crowd to tell him the hour of interment. He said so that the people would give their input so that things would not just happen idly, so that the miracle, when it came, would witnessed, not imposed. Now sit with that, the most powerful sermon delivered in this republic since the coup that brought Mnangagwa to power, and it is about a man who waited for death to complete itself before he acted. The cabal is buried the constitution. They have rolled the stone over the tomb. The Senate is voted. The bill awaits the president's signature. The process is complete. The death is occurred. The mourners have wept. The 42 in the National Assembly wept. The 4 in the Senate wept. The generals who warned of enduring consequences wept. The invisible force that has always resolved this nation's deepest questions watched and waited and did not intervene. The people know. They saw the parliament vote. They saw the ayes and noes. They saw the abstention. They saw the conveyor belt complete its final turn. They gave their input in emails, in court applications, in parliamentary speeches, in bullets received and they refused. The input is complete. The death is admitted. And now we wait, not for a faction, not for a coup, for the stone to remove, for the resurrection that follows. Every burial, the cabal thinks is final. For the constitution to rise from the tomb they built, for it. The Lord waited 3 days. The people have waited longer, but the waiting is not idle. It is witness, and the witness will be the record that history reads when the stone is rolled away. The VP has spoken. The question hangs in the air. When was he buried? The answer is already written in the archive. The resurrection is not a prediction, it is a promise. And the people, the true people, not the ghost submissions, will be there to see it. Tomba developments are good pangwa in Agents Iowa. The time is coming. Pangwa in a pachata resurrection. Here the constitution. Recommend section videos of any more to deep on so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.